Dedicate this one to a down to go on some way. You are the culture, Mike is a man called Johnny Claw. Johnny Claw. You know, Master Johnny Claw. Do it.
Give me a love that grows and grows.
Hear that?
Not just a love that comes and goes. Oh, baby,
Greetings, originally
never forget.
Jamaica.
So first of all, who are you?
Well, I'm the original DJ now, Foundation Jamaica now. Foundation DJ from them times to this time. Seeing up here same way. By the Almighty God, you know. Seeing? So I'm there. Original. I'm a virgin live name, you know. Tell me, say, boy, Mikey, me like how you DJ and I like your lyrics, you know. So you know, do me was sound him Emperor Faith and why I come DJ upon it. Seeing? So I say, no problem, I will come. Seeing, so one night I go up there, where this road go up there and start DJ. And the boss say, yeah man, you want for DJ my sound. So I start DJ the sound now in the 70s, see?
True.
Start DJ the sound and thing. Anyway, I go to Clarendon, I go all the 14 parish all over the world, the 14 parish, see? Go DJ. See, but the most places them love me more are Clarendon. See, I go to Clarendon and I start DJ down Clarendon every night, see? So, I have a virgin down there named Natty Tardo. Him die now, see? Rest in peace, my brother. Saying him die now, but him used to come on the dance and regular and me and him DJ, him and Skengdan, because Skengdan used to come on my, when me a DJ him he come wait for me at the gate to come in, you know. Yeah, me no come like the man him now going at the dance, you know. That's about Skengdan, you know.
Yeah.
Saying, yeah, was my boss side, saying, anyway, I start DJ and thing, saying, so, one at a time, they said youth, them hold him, and them go to jail, them charge him for murder, shooting, saying, and whole political things, them there in jail, so the sound now me I tell you about name Emperor Lord Faith. Seeing I play against the station and a line in the town, and Clarendon, a line in the town. Seeing I'm a DJ, a tune, and me hear a man say, Jama, come look at the youth, they behind bars, seeing, because the jail is near, you can't look at the jail, you know, and see me now, call me. I'm saying, what me DJ? I'm saying, me there, man. So I'm saying, alright. They go do a tune, boy. I'm saying, yeah, man. And they said, night now, me I do the tune. I'm there in jail. I'm saying, free Natty Tardo, the captain. Free Natty Tardo. Cause Natty Tardo is my militant dread. Natty Tardo is my militant dread. Natty Tardo no trouble no one. Natty Tardo is a militant man. And I say, because the night when I make that tune, you know, and the dance I make it, you know, I write upon up, I write out nothing, you know. And the dance I make it, you know, the tune, you know. Yeah, freestyle, you know, see. Long time I no DJ in a dog.